Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Sunglow Lifescience Private Limited. Before the video, please like our video so that it can reach to other viewers who are looking for jobs. Let us see complete details in this video. This is full-time job opportunity. We are hiring for open positions, trainee officer, executive, production and officer, senior executive, quality control. And experience is 0 to 6 years of experience, and education and qualification is Bpharm Mpharm graduates apply to this position. And another position is analytical development, designation is officer, executive, senior executive, and education is Bpharm Mpharm 2 to 5 years of experience. Immediate joiners preferred, and location is Sunglow Lifescience Private Limited, Tamil Nadu. Interested candidates send resume to mentioned email ID. Please refer description box for HR email ID. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. These are the details regarding job. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.